Hello everyone, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma. Dear students, in my last video, I was tell you and teach you about baking soda, their uses, preparation, chemical name, and properties. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you about washing soda. Okay, students, the chemical formula of washing soda. Chemical formula washing soda is Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Okay, this is the chemical formula of washing soda. Okay, and chemical name is sodium carbonate. Decahydrate. Okay, this is the chemical name of sodium carbonate, that is sodium carbonate decahydrate, and this is the chemical formula of washing soda. Next is preparation. Okay, dear students, washing soda is prepared by aqueous solution of sodium chloride in following 3 steps. Okay, washing soda is prepared by concentrated solution of sodium chloride in following 3 steps. Okay, step 1. In first step, the concentrated solution of sodium chloride react with ammonia and carbon dioxide gas and form sodium hydrogen carbonate as well as ammonium chloride. You can see here, this is a concentrated solution of sodium chloride that react with ammonia and carbon dioxide gas. It forms sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. This is the first step of preparation of washing soda. Okay, now in second step, this sodium hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate undergo heat. Okay, so in second step, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is also called as sodium bicarbonate, undergo heat and form sodium carbonate, water and CO2 gas. This is also called as soda ash. What? Soda ash. Okay. Now this sodium carbonate undergo hydration and form sodium carbonate decahydrate. That is the third step. Okay, this is the step first, step second, step third. Okay, this sodium hydrogen carbonate, this sodium carbonate, sorry, undergo hydration with 10 water molecule and form sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, that is your washing soda. So guys, you can simply see that the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Okay, chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, this is a preparation, how can be prepared the washing soda. So I already told you that washing soda is prepared by sodium chloride in following 3 steps. Okay, step first, the aqueous solution, concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride undergo reaction with ammonia and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, it form sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, that is called as baking soda and ammonium chloride. Okay, in second step, this sodium hydrogen carbonate undergo heat and form soda ash, release CO2 gas. Okay, in third step, soda ash undergo hydration with 10 water molecule and form Na2CO3 into 10H2O. That is the chemical formula of washing soda. So I hope that all of you understood how to prepare washing soda by chemical processes. Okay, next is properties. Properties. Students, there are following properties of washing soda. Number one, you know that washing soda is a crystalline solid. All of you seen at your houses that is used in washing clothes, vehicles, etc. That is a white crystal. So washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid. Okay, next is washing soda is water soluble. Okay, because of all of you dissolve it in water for washing the clothes. Okay, next is washing soda is alkaline in nature, means this is basic in nature, and you know that any bases any water soluble basis called as alkaline. So due to alkaline nature, it turn red litmus to blue. Okay. Next is it has cleaning property, so it is cleaning agent. And next topic is use of usage of washing soda. Okay, usage of washing soda. Guys, you know that there are large usage of washing soda, means in large scale we uses the washing soda, such as it is used as a cleaning agent to clean the clothes and other garments. Okay, it is also used for removing permanent hardness of water. Means you can say that washing soda is used to remove permanent hardness of water. Okay, means on including washing soda you can change the hardness of water and change it into soft water. Okay, next is it is used in preparation of glass, soap and paper. Okay, washing soda is used in preparation of glass, soap and paper. Okay, that is a, and it is also used in preparation of borax. What? Borax. Okay, this is a borax. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Borax is also prepared by washing soda. So this is the brief description of washing soda. That is very important topic for your examination and other competitive exams. So guys, I hope that all of you understood these terms of the washing soda. Thank you. Have a good day.